Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn lesson number 25, Great Teachers. Teachers are an important part of our life as they shape our future with knowledge and values. There were many great teachers in history who shaped the civilization to a greater extent. So, teachers play an important life in everyone's life because they shape your future with knowledge and values. Here we can see some of the teachers. Here are some well-known teachers in history whose disciples are equally famous and successful. Read the description and write their names with the help of clue notes. Here, given some of the well-known teachers who are well-known in history and whose disciples are also equally famous as them and were successful. Let us see some of them. First one is, he was a great teacher, philosopher and political theorist from China. His ideas influenced the civilization of East Asia. His name is Confucius, and he was a great teacher as well as a philosopher and a political theorist, and he was from China, and his ideas have given a great influence on the civilization of East Asia. Second one, he taught Alexander the Great and inspired him with an interest in philosophy, medicine and scientific investigation. He is Aristotle, and Aristotle was the teacher of Alexander the Great, and he made an interest in Alexander in the philosophy as well as medicine and scientific investigation, and he is known as, or his name is Aristotle. Third one, in Mahabharata he was the teacher of Kauravas and Pandavas. He is remembered for his disciple Ekalavya, who offered his thumb to him as Guru Dakshina, and his name is Dronacharya. Dronacharya was the teacher of Kauravas as well as Pandavas, and this Dronacharya was very famous for his disciple Ekalavya, who had offered him his thumb to him as Guru Dakshina. Next one, fourth one is, his disciple Swami Vivekananda established a mission in his honor. He is Ramakrishna Paramhamsa. Ramakrishna Paramhamsa was the disciple of Swami Vivekananda, and he established a mission in his honor. Fifth one, he was the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya, the founder of the Maurya Empire and the king to unify most of India under one administration. He is Chanakya. So, Chanakya was the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya, and Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Maurya Empire, and he was the king to unify most of India under one administration. So, the teacher of Chandragupta was Chanakya. Next one, she was the teacher of Helen Keller, who was a girl without sight, hearing or normal speech. She is widely recognized for her achievement in educating her disciple to a high level, and she is Annie Sullivan. Annie Sullivan was the teacher of Helen Keller, and Helen Keller was a girl who was having no sight, hearing or normal speech. She was blind and she was deaf and she cannot speak properly, and this Annie Sullivan, as a teacher of Helen Keller, made her to made her to make very good in speech and understanding, and given good education to this Helen Keller, and her name is Annie Sullivan. So write this in your textbook, or this answer in your textbook. Let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.